Author Emily Buchwald once said, "Children are made readers in the laps of their parents." Today I'm excited to share a few books with you to help create lasting memories with the kids in your life. If you're familiar with our books, you've probably heard of Nibbles. The Nibbles family of books is absolutely adorable, and we have a new board book that is perfect for introducing Nibbles to the youngest of children.
Then jump on blue.
Nibbles the book monster is munching his way through a book of colors this time, featuring bold, beautiful illustrations, rhyming text, easy to turn pages, and the best surprise of all, learning the colors of a rainbow.
Purple. No, indigo. It's nearly gone. Come on, Nibbles. Just pick one.
The Tale of the Valiant Ninja Frog is a sequel to our best-selling The Prince, the Witch, the Thief, and the Bears. Have your kids ever asked you to tell them a story and then started interjecting all of their own opinions and ideas about the story? That's part of the fun of creating memories with books. This book is going to mimic your story time at home. Not only do Jamie and Abby ask their dad for a campfire story, but they insert their own opinions about what should be included in the story. It's so cute and cleverly designed, and it has a great moral in the story as well, that even the smallest character can play a very important role. Pop-Up Seasons is one of the most beautiful pop-up books I've ever seen. It features bold, beautiful illustrations with pictures that really pop out as you turn each page. Not only will your kids learn about the seasons by going through this book, they will be enchanted by the beautiful pictures that pop out and become three-dimensional. There's also a QR code to scan to hear the book read aloud. The Little Ballerina dancing book is perfect for budding ballerinas, features 5 well-known songs, and shows dances to go with each song. Do you have a kid in your life who loves garbage trucks? I'm so excited about this new book by Eric Odie, author of Dan the Taxi Man and Busy Trucks on the Go. This story has something for everyone. Its rhythmic text is very memorable. It also teaches kids about recycling, reusing, even composting. There's even a little bit of counting in this book. 1 orange juice carton, toss it in. 2 cans for the recycle bin. 3 bottles, they'll recycle too. 4 chairs to paint and make like new. 5 toys to fix and give away. Hooray, hooray! It's garbage day. How does your digestive system work? What really goes on in the brain? This cleverly designed 100-piece jigsaw puzzle and book all about the human body is going to answer some of these questions. Let's take a quick look. Put the puzzle together and then read more about each part of the body in the provided book. Our puzzles aren't just for big kids. Our 9-piece puzzle sets come with 3 different puzzles and a book. These are easy for little hands to put together, and you will really enjoy exploring these puzzles with your kids. We all love reading to our kids, but sometimes we aren't able to take the time to read to them, perhaps on a car drive or during quiet time. This book is perfect for pre-readers to still be engaged and involved with a book. Let's take a look.
Cinderella in the cellar, working very late, sleeps at last. Her eyes shut fast, curled up by the grate. The prince is blue, he takes the shoe. How will the story end? Who fits the shoe? Hooray, it's you! At last I found my friend.
1, 2, 3, Do the Dinosaur is a bouncy, rhythmic picture book with board-style pages that your kids are going to love. Your kids may start off in your lap as you're reading this story, but pretty soon they will probably be getting up and tapping their feet along with a dinosaur named Tom, who is leading the dinosaurs in a little dance. He stood up on his tiptoes and he slashed his giant claws. "Now open wide," he shouted. "Let's all chomp our dino jaws. Chomp, 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 let's do the dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, and everybody roar!" This book also features some great lessons about inclusion. "What's all this dancing for? Can I try joining in as well?" Tom frowned, then shouted, "Sure, just copy all the actions and you'll quickly know the score. You chomp and swish and stomp about, and that's the dinosaur."